Most worshipful sir, I present to you for installation Brothers Hermoso and D. Swanbo, who has been appointed senior and junior stewards of this lodge.
Brothers Hermoso and that's what I said. You have been appointed stewards of this lodge, and I will now instruct you in your duties. In olden time, your promise was to superintend and provide for the festival of the craft, to assist in the collection of dues and subscriptions, to keep an account of the expenses for refreshment, and to see that the tables were properly supplied and every brother suitable provided for. In modern times, however, the provision for actual refreshment has diminished, and your principal functions will now be to prepare candidates for admission and to perform those duties which Masonic custom assigned to you on days of procession. Receive the jewel of your office together with the white rods. Don't miss us here now. You will now be buried to your respective places.